Okay. So once again, good morning, everyone, and welcome in today's session. Let's start the class. So yesterday class we discussed specifically on the kind of a designing part, designing of your workflow. So we see that how I can make my workflow. I can add the approval, I can add the task. Then we see that how I can make a workflow or the execution through the execution plan. Okay. Remember one thing that if your catalog item don't have any approval on the place, then better go with the execution plan. If you want to just create the task, then go with the execution plan. But if you want to put the approval, then I recommend go for the workflow. Okay. And today we are going to be discuss another important topic, which is a released, maybe I'll not say that just released, but yes, released maybe in the last second last version of ServiceNow, that is this Paris and Cubicam Paris. So that is called the flow designer. Let me open you 1 minute. Catalog item. Okay. Maintain catalog item. Let me put all. Okay. And I go here. Here. Okay. What we did from execution plan, we can do from the workflow as well. Let me change it. If you are using this thing now, what's your name, lady? Tejal. Let me remove this and put it this thing. RITM patch 2. Okay. So this is the oldest one. The oldest one. This is the second latest workflow which we discuss. Generally in IT industry as of now, everybody using this workflow method only. Okay, which we learn, which we check everything on the place. Today we are going to discuss another enhancement of on this is called the flow, and we call this as the flow designer. Let me open this. Flow designer in ServiceNow. In the meantime, it's open. Let me open in my this place. Okay, go here and write flow designer here. Process automation and process portfolio application flow designer. Okay, why we have a flow designer on the place? What is the main purpose of flow designer, and why ServiceNow introduce this flow designer? The flow designer, the main purpose of flow designer is to automate a lot of things, automate a lot of tasks. Like let's take example. Okay, I want to make a cup of tea. Okay, now what I do on a daily basis, I take a fry pan, put water, put milk, put tea, sugar, and then boil for 2 minutes. और उसको कप में डाला, take it. Okay, now let me in automate few of the steps. Automate means I have some mechanism. Okay, or I'm little changing this part. Okay, what happened earlier, if you buy if you buy a home, or you came out from office, you came from office to home, what you have to do? कहते हैं ना, अरे भाई थोड़ी देर के लिए इस रूम के फैन ऑन कर दो, गर्मी खत्म हो जाएगी, फिर ठंडक हो जाएगी, फिर बैठेंगे इस रूम में जाके हम. Definitely yes. In the night when we switch on the cooler specifically, okay, let's keep the cooler on for 5-10 minutes, so that the ventilation has been done and the new and the fresh air should be come from the cooler to us. What is that? That is a repetition task. You have to do this task on a daily basis. Now we are living in a smart home. What smart home means? Before you enter your home, you have everything available on your phone, mobile phone. Just click the button, press the button on the mobile phone, your AC will start at 10 minutes before you reach to home. Your fridge will start 10 minutes before you reach to the kitchen. Your food will be automatically get it ready in oven. If you put everything on the place in before the 5 or 7 minutes, you reach to the home. What all these things? These all are the automation stuff. This means that I'm doing automation. I'm not being a human. I'm not doing anything manually. I just put the things. It's automatic. For me, the best example of automation is the alarm clock. आप रात को 2 बजे सो, 5 बजे सो, 10 बजे सो, जब मर्जी सो. If you put the alarm, it will run on the same time on daily basis if you run it, if you set it. That is the best example which I think, even though it's not a right example, but still it is an example which we can understand. Now come to this point. Okay. Flow Designer is a now platform. Number one, it is not a product. It is not a kind of a I'll not say it's a product. It is a now platform stuff. Feature for automating process in a single design and environment. Flow Designer say you can create the new workflow, but the purpose of Flow Designer is to automation. Flow Designer lets process owner use natural language to automate approval, task, notification, record operation without coding. What do you mean by the natural language? Nowadays, we see that there are robots available in the market. You go, you buy the robot, and you bring it to your home. It will work for you. But suppose if robot break the glass or the cup, can you scold the robot? No, you cannot scold the robot because वो machine है, उसको नहीं पता कुछ भी, right? But now we are working on some of the latest things where you can scold the robot as well. क्या किया तूने ये? कैसे तोड़ दिया ये? By using the natural language. This thing. Anyone see the movie of Rajnikant, the Robot 2.02, I guess something is there. They built a robot that is equal to the human being, that has emotions as well. Okay, so I'll not go in that part. So Flow Designer let process owner use the natural language, like people like you and me who don't know the coding, but still we can prepare the flow at our requirement. You can expand the Flow Designer to communicate with the external instance and the third party. It means, see, now the things come. This Flow Designer specifically built up for the integration purpose. Integration means to connect two systems. That is the purpose of the integration. Okay, let me share this link with you. Go to this video. I did not go through this video, but you guys can go through the video. Okay. Now let's come to our bread and butter. Application portfolio process automation. I'll use this Flow Designer, this one. Where you see this arrow now, it means this will be a pop-up window. It will go into the next window like this. See, it will open the same window if you open it. But if you click on this, it will go to the next window. So that is another a kind of mark you can put it. Okay. So here my Flow Designer is opening now. Let's go in the little deep part. Flow Designer provides owners and developer 3 benefits. Multiple flow you can automate in a one place. Configuration you can handle it easily. Natural language you can use. Okay. And promote the automation part. Let's go one by one in the steps, these things. Okay. Now you see here. And let me open the workflow as well, just to show you something. All clear ना till this point या किसी को कोई doubt है? तेजल, ईश्वरी, शिल्पी. All clear और कोई doubt है?
Yes sir, clear है sir.
पक्का?
हाँ sir.
Okay. So see. This is my workflow window and this is my Flow Designer. Okay. If you see here, these are my different flows which I design. Okay, let's see this one. Service catalog item request. It open in this way. Let's see if something is there. Here, service catalog item request. Let's do the verification. Let's do the validation कि दोनों में क्या है common. See, the way of working is same. Okay, but the way of implementation is different. Either you want to build a coffee or either you want to build a tea. The process will be the same. Okay, but the way of working will be the different. So that is the thing they are be putting here. Okay, so in my workflow I can see a lot of things like this. Approval जाएगा, user होगा, action होगा, then notification होगा. Now let's see this thing. My God, it's loading now. See, manager approval rejected by manager. Department head, let's see. Department head, right? CIO 2 days. Let's see here. Rejected. Rejected by department head. ये हमने देखा. Catalog task create करना. Let's see where it's creating. This is catalog task. Create करना. Catalog task. Catalog task item. These things. So if you see कि सर दिखने में तो दोनों सही हैं, दोनों सिमिलर हैं, बट जो फ्लो डिजाइनर है उसका पर्पस ये वर्कफ्लोज बनाना नहीं है एक्चुअली में, उसका पर्पस ऑटोमेशन है. ओके, नाउ व्हाट वी विल डू, वी विल क्रिएट आवर फर्स्ट flow from the flow designer part. Okay, we will create a simple one, only simple one, one approval, one task. That's all for us to be understanding. Okay, let me go here on the home, click on the new. What you want to get, flow, subflow or action? Action means what should happen if I click on this. Subflow means flow के अंदर जो flow बनता है. Let's create a simple flow. Okay, what is my flow name? Flow. सिंपल, जैसे हम वो बनाते थे ना अपना, क्या कहते हैं, वर्कफ्लो का नाम सेम. एप्लीकेशन ग्लोबल, डोमेन ग्लोबल, प्रोटेक्शन. If you want to make it as a read only for other person, I say none. Run as, कब शुरू होगा ये, system user who initiate the session or system user, sorry, user who initiate the session. I say user who initiate the session. जैसे ही कोई user login करेगा, it will start. Run with the role. If you want that this workflow should be run only for specific set of roles, you can put it. Remember one thing, guys. Ishwari, Tejal, and Shilpi, and specifically Dipesh, if Santosh is also joined. Santosh, for you guys.
Yes, sir.
Don't be confused with the flow and the workflow. I'm again repeating my word. Flow designer, the main purpose of flow designer is the automation, not to design these catalog item workflows. If you see here, the very clearly they mention it. Automating the process. Okay, so maybe you will see few new fields here. Run with the role. Which role is required to run this particular workflows? So you can put it here. Let me put submit. Simple. It means I created my workflow and begin and end has been kept there. Now come this side. Trigger. When this workflow should start. Let's take a help from the other workflow as well, even though I am a new one. So what say service catalog. Let me go here on my workflow, click on this add. Where you want to implement this, I want to implement this on my service catalog. It means this one I'm talking. I'm talking on this level, these things. So what this says specifically, sorry if I come here, right, means on which table you want to add this particular workflow. I say I want to add on the service catalog. Click or hit enter to collapse service core application trigger. Okay. If I click on this add notation, क्या है इसमें? ठीक है, I'll not go in that part. Okay, let me put as a done here. Okay, it means my record, my workflow will start on the catalog. Okay. Now if you click here flow variables and trigger service catalog, कुछ नहीं है क्या इसमें? Okay, ठीक है, no worries. Now I will add the action. See guys, I'm very true on that part. Even I did not implement anything via the flow designer. I'm learning it with you and will putting in the things. Now I go for the action. Okay, let me add a action here. Click here. What you want to add? Logic, subflow or action? I said I want to put an action. Click action. Action means what you want. I said I want it should go for the approval. This one. When you see here, what we do, we drag and drop it, right? For the approval, if I come here, let me create a new one. New नहीं लेते इसको, कुछ और लेते हैं. Checked out. Let me take this one. Okay. What I want to add a approval on the place. So what you do here? Who done the R&D with my role now? I am not able to see the activities here. So this thing, this is my action, right? So I'll put this action here. What do you want? You want to add a work notes. You want to ask for the approval. You want to create or update record. You want to create a task. Again, task is there, right? I want to ask for the approval. Okay. Click on this. From whom you need approval? हाँ, ये थोड़ा सा important है, record. Okay. This is one thing. What records say here? Drag and drop the record data pill. Enter a record. Means on which record you want the approval. RATM or REQ level. Let me go back to this part and click on the request for manager approval. I'm doing the copy pasting part, guys. So this thing, trigger request item record. Okay, that's understanding is fine. Okay, so it means कहाँ गया? अच्छा sorry, here. Okay, so it's a आपको किस रिकॉर्ड पर ये वाला अप्रूवल फिट करना है. So what you can do, either you can this toggle scripting, you can write a script here, okay, and put the things here. Otherwise, what you can do, you can not the scripting, you can click on this data picker for the record. सर्विस कैटलॉग के अंदर आपके क्या बनते हैं? रिक्वेस्टेड आइटम रिकॉर्ड्स, RTM बनते हैं, राइट? यस और नो?
Yes.
Right. So I click on this. कि बॉस मेरा जो अप्रूवल है वो RTM लेवल पर लेके जाना, और देखो उसने खुद उसका सारा टेबल वेबल खुद बना दिया. बाकी किस टेबल से आएगा, क्या उसका फील्ड होगा, क्या उसका हिस्ट्री होगा. इट मीन्स you are just putting this one word and everything has been taken care. Rule: approve when anyone approve, all user approve. This thing same we done, right? I say anyone approve. Okay, ठीक है, कोई दिक्कत नहीं. Anyone approve, that's fine. Due date, in how many days? Approve. Pending by, you can put the date as well. 2 days, 3 days, 4 days. So I can, I'm not putting anything here, and click on the done. Okay, so it's going for ask for approval. Okay, the same thing which we done here. They are asking for, see, it created the sub workflow. I'm just putting one action here. Okay, now let save this. Let do this part only, and let activate this. Don't start, I'll say activate. Okay, now what we get, let me see the test. What it's saying, see, now it's saying, this is a very beautiful thing. In workflow, we have an option called the validate, right? Here we are having option called the test. It means what is saying that instead of go and create a new catalog item, you can do the testing here only. What it say, okay, bring any RITM record. I said, okay, you want any RITM record now? Go to this one. Number 9. Run test. So it will attach the workflow automatically there. View the flow execution. Let's see what happened. Completed. Means it automatically run the test for me. I'm sure you guys are confused now. Let's go here and go to our maintain item. हम अपना सिंपल तरीका देखते हैं. Okay, and let me open. No. And let put the workflow as a क्या था? Sorry, it will start from the word flow batch 2. Okay, let's save this. I attach my workflow here. Let me go here. Search for snow. It is already there. Snow. Click on snow and submit. Okay. Number 30. Go here. Open number 30. Okay. This is the standard one because this is coming from the my REQ level. Approve. And approve. Approve. Let me go to my RITM. Oh, nothing is coming here. Let go to back and see what is not working. Okay, no approval is there. Go to RITM 42. Okay, nothing is appearing. Why nothing is appearing here? Because if you open this, ask for approval, you should tell which group need to be approved this, right? Hayana,
Correct.
did you mention that somewhere?
Anyone approver we have done.
Anyone approver, yes. So we need to put the group name.
Right.
So see here, anyone add user, add group, add manual approver. I say add group. बॉस ग्रुप का नाम तो दो तभी तो चलेगा वो. Admin training group.
Right.
And now click done. Now click save. Okay, and now see execution. Completed. Now let me raise a new request. Okay, come here, submit. It should be 31. Let it be submit. 31. Okay, I directly go to the RITM because it has no relationship with this. Oh, still not coming. Let me approve this. Maybe that is the reason it's not appearing. And scroll down. Approve. It's approved. Let's go to RITM this. Click on this. No. Flow context. Let's see what happened in the flow. Why it's not working? Ask for approval completed. Let me show. RITM value this, choice this. See, runtime value skip. It did not go for the approval. Why? Let's see. Operation flow batch this skip due to invalid rule syntax. Approve any. Okay. Let's see what wrong we did it. Let's close this. Okay, ask for approval. Or it's not taking up changes. Approval rule wait. Anyone approve or reject? Done. Save. Activate. Maybe it's the older version we are working. That can be the reason. Okay, now let's do the test. Let's put the number 43. Run. ईश्वरी, शिल्पी, तेजल, ऑल क्लियर? और कोई डाउट है?
इश्यूज नहीं है, क्लियर भी ज्यादा नहीं लग रहा है मुझे.
Okay, no worries. So now you can see state is waiting. Let me open this 42 number. I'll explain you. Give me a minute, Shilpi. Still not working. Approve, reject this schedule configuration state logs. Let's check the logs. Workflow model ID not valid. Why? Okay. दीपेश क्या कहते हो? What's going wrong here?
Maybe we can create one more new request
New
and
one,
see,
huh?
Atul. Yes.
So Shilpi, in the meantime, let me explain you. Okay. The things which we done from the workflow. Okay. 2 days or 3 days back when we work on the workflow, we implemented this approval. We implemented this task management through the workflow. Okay. Now ServiceNow introduced a new concept called the flow designer. Okay, what that flow designer means, that the purpose of flow designer is specifically to automate the processes. Okay, and what we implemented via workflow, the same thing we are going to be implement to the flow designer as well. Even though this is the new concept, I'm also seeing first time here. Okay, now it's come. Yes, group approval. So I guess we did not activate this earlier. Okay. Give me a minute. Let me show you on the pen and paper. Now this has been done now, so I can create my new video on this flow designer. Okay. Let me come and open this part. I'll show you in the on the this Word file. Then it is easy for you to understand. Okay. Okay. There is one concept called the workflow. Right. What we did in the workflow, we created one approval, we created one task. Okay. To do this two stuff, we need to do select the table manually, वैल्यू पुट करना, ठीक है, उसको सेव करना और उसको वैलिडेट करना. Okay, this thing we done to the workflow. All agree till this point? Tejal, Ishwari, Dipesh, Anjan, Santosh.
Yes.
Yes.
All हमने यही किया लास्ट के 2 दिन में, राइट? In workflow the concept is drag and drop. आप यहाँ से उठाते थे, यहाँ डाल देते थे और उसके इनपुट और आउटपुट्स को आप कंबाइन कर देते थे. Now what is the next thing we are doing? Today we are discussing the flow designer. Okay, and we are implementing the same thing. We are adding one approval and we will get one task, but it will be in the natural language. Natural language means बोले तो I need one approval. What we did, we go here, add an action, that's all. But what we did here in the workflow, we drag and drop, create task. यहाँ से drag किया, यहाँ पे drop किया, right? This has been done now, which we saw now, right? But the another benefit is that, which workflow say, that you can test and execute runtime as well. जो मैं भी करके देखा था. What we did, we created a workflow and we done the test as well. The only thing which is required to be understand and to remember here, until unless if you make some changes here, you will not activate it. It will not take the next version. Very clearly on that part. So the same thing what we did here, if you will not check in, if you will not check in or publish, it will, the new changes will not come into the picture. ठीक. issue शिल्पी आप बताओ, कोई doubt?
Kind of save, no?
I'm again repeating my words. It is same. The only thing is that flow designer is basically for the automation purpose.
Mm-hmm.
If I tell you in plain language कि flow designer और workflow काम दोनों वही करते हैं. Flow designer का काम ये workflows बनाना नहीं है actually में. It is used for the automation, for the integration purpose. ये तो सिर्फ एक टाइम पास के लिए हम उसको बना के दिखा रहे हैं, भाई देखो ये भी हो जाता है. एक्चुअली में इसका काम क्या है? अगर if you go in the definition, automation of the processes and to do this thing, external instances, third party system. ये इस पर्पस के लिए बनाया गया फ्लो डिजाइनर एक्चुअली. And without the coding you can do it. Now, if till yesterday or the day before yesterday, if I need to understand, I need to build some approval, I need to be depend on Dipesh or Santosh. Boss, please do the coding for me. Now I don't need these guys. I can do the workflow design. I can do the workflow according to my need easily on the flow designer. Did we write any code here for the approval? Nothing. What we write? हमें क्या चाहिए, किसके ऊपर रन करेगा, उसका टेबल वेबल सब अपने आप आ गया. We even don't bother about the table कि बॉस कौन से टेबल पे रन होगा वो, right? Because table is known to the developer, not a consultant. I am as a consultant, I don't know the table name, but Shilpi, sorry, Tejal, Ishwar, these are the developer for me now. They should know that which table it is there. Okay, now let's add a new task. Add one more thing, that's called the add action. Now deactivate activities, read only. Click here. Okay, I want to add an action. Okay, what action you need? See, core, ServiceNow core. We have a here. What is there? यहाँ पे था ना core activities हमारी ServiceNow की. अरे यार राइट्स किसने हटा दिए मेरे यहाँ से. We can see the core activities. So the same thing is available here. Core. Okay. Now what you want? Add a work note link to the this thing. Ask for approval. Create a record. Create a task. I said create a task. Okay. No worries. Let me create a task for you. Okay. Create a task. Select a table. If you want to select, you can select. Otherwise, you can drag and drop as well. Same thing. I said कहाँ पर create task करना है. मैंने कहा trigger service catalog के अंदर जाओ. टेबल नेम यहाँ से उठा लो, अपने आप उठा लेगा वो टास्क का. बट इफ यू वांट टू डू इट मैनुअली, बिकॉज टास्क कैन बी क्रिएटेड ऑन द मल्टीपल टेबल्स, कैटलॉग टास्क, चेन टास्क, प्रॉब्लम टास्क, सो वी आर गिविंग इट द मैनुअली हियर sc_task. This thing I can put it here. Field value, what you need on the task. I need these things. I said, boss, I need nothing. Let's leave it like a blank only as of now, because it is not mandatory. Okay. Then if you want, okay, field value means, let me see any short description there. Yes, we have a short description. What is the value of the short description? Test flow. This is my short description. Okay. What I need? I need priority. Which type of priority I need for the task? I need P3. Okay. I need a description. Okay. Follow me. Okay. Wait means you want to hold it for some time. So again, one more thing, guys. I cannot tell you each and everything in the deep dive. I'm just giving the high level stuff. Now I click on the done. Okay. Now let me click one more thing. Let's create one more action. Let's see what's new here. Okay. Multiple. Dekho. For all these things, now if you see here, let me show you. Work notes, add approval, create update record, create task, delete record, get email. These are the default one. Okay. But if you see here, copy attachment. Suppose I want to copy one attachment from one record to the other record, I can do the copy attachment here. If you want to send the emails, you can send. See here, this is create catalog task. What we did, we just put the task, and this is called the catalog task. It means the table is sc_task. Okay, let me use this thing, create record. Okay, I'm putting a new action for me. Let's see what happened. It say, okay, what type of record you want to create, on which table you want to create. I said create a record in the incident table. Okay, I'll do that part. Which field you want? I say short description. Should be my testing batch. Let's put this thing only and click on the done. Click on the save. And click on the activate. Now let's go here and raise a new request. Okay, it's activated. Everything has been done now. Let's see. Did you notice one thing? There's a no end and no begin and end point here. And see, status is publish. Important point. Go here, snow, and submit it. Simple. Let's submit this. Number 33. Okay, so all are excited now to see that what will happen.
Yeah.
Yes. Tejal, Ishwari, Shilpi, Dipesh, and
Yes, sir.
Yes.
okay. Let's not bother about this thing. I'm not bothered this thing. Let's go to the number 45. Because my workflow is running on the RATM level, right? Let me approve this. Approve. Why is showing this thing? Security does not allow. Then why it's showing this requested? Okay, approve. Why no task is there? I had a group approval. That's fine. That's fine. Did we put something wrong here in the task? Created task. No. Done. Nothing is there. Then what happened? 45. Let me approve my REQ as well. Let's see if maybe that is also blocking somehow. Approve. It should not be impact, but let's check this thing. So today's class is totally on the R&D part. Okay, we all are new in this particular place, so we are doing the R&D only. नहीं अभी भी task नहीं आए. Why it's not giving me a task? Let's see the workflow here. Create task, catalog task, sc_task. That's fine. Short description this, priority this. Let's check here. What happened? What goes wrong? Create catalog task. What we did? Okay, let's change this. Let's go to the create catalog task. Standard one we'll see. See, we all are doing R&D, so let's see create catalog task.
See that flow, it gives some condition or before the task or
Right, because we don't have any condition. Go to this or this. Okay, so now it's saying create catalog task, drag and drop. Let me go here. Ah, right. Ask for approval state. This requested item record RITM, short description, test. Wait, I don't want catalog variable available. Let's see. Let's put done. Save. See, status is modified now. And activate. Let's do one more time. Now I have few friends who are working as a code developer. They are moving their workflows from the workflow to the flow designers. And they raise a question to ServiceNow that is the workflow going to be decommissioned or going to be obsolete in ServiceNow or not in coming releases. So ServiceNow clearly say that they're not going to decommission the workflow. But yes, they're giving a flexibility to the users to use the flow designer going forward. Okay, let's go here. Why it's taking a lot of time? It's all approved and this. Yes. So now my task has been generated. This one, test. Let me open this and close my task. Let's see if another task generated. No task generated because we did not put any condition here. Create incident record. But when it's not giving me any picture.
So Atul, can we check in incident table if any independent incident got created because of this?
We can check. I'm coming to that only actually. Because it is not a task, so it will not show here, right?
Yeah.
If works execute properly, then definitely incident should be created. Chal bhai. Incident and click on the all. What we put in the this thing? My testing batch. This is a short description, right? Yes. Yes. That's nice. So 2 incident has been generated. It means for the first time when we run this task was not work, but this next task has been generated properly. So now you can see. This is what we mentioned here. कुछ समझ में आया? कोई doubt? So I'm stopping myself here now. From the flow designer part, I'm done. Now tell me any question and doubt on this part. ईश्वरी, तेजल, शिल्पी, संतोष, दीपेश.
तो ये करके देखना होगा फिर I can.
Yes.
Yeah. There are a lot of options available in play around with this.
Yes. So what we can do it here. Okay, first go through this particular link. Understand, go through this video actually. That what they are defining, what ServiceNow is saying to us. Okay, then try to build up flow, workflow, action, core action, action step, spokes, landing page environments, operation dashboards. Means what you can achieve from the flow designer, that you should use it. Okay. Here. Now, if I go here, It's done now. Now let me put a flow logic. If condition, make a decision, wait for a duration, call a workflow, dynamic workflow, get flow output. Let me put if condition. I say price. Go here. Under this, under catalog item, I have a field called the price. Right? We have an item. This is price. I say if price less than data picker condition. If you want to put any condition, I say if price is less than 800. Not sure that it will work or not because I'm not sure about this thing. Less than 800. Then see if के बाद then what should happen? Then action. Create a task. Create a catalog task. Let not see if it is creating a task. It means some task is also created. Let me check that as well.
Yes.
Catalog task. Let's go here. And sc_task.list. Created. See, it created this one, right?
So the request value is less than 800, is it?
Yeah. No. So this one is basically work when we have a instead of in this now we have a catalog task and we have a task only. You remember that we changed this from catalog task to the create catalog task.
Yes.
So it created a task in the background. See, but there's a no parent. Right? So to build up the parent, we need to use the catalog task only. Let okay. Create a catalog task. Okay, on RATM level. Short description. My new task. Wait, I don't want. Let's remove it this way. Done. I'm just doing R&D now. Not sure that this will work or not because 800 is a logic now, and we did not put any kind of a currency there and activate. No. I want to close this topic today actually with the catalog builder, but it will not happen today. Okay, it's done. Snow, let's put an order. $35. Okay. Now let's go to this 47. Let me approve my request. See, 2 tasks have been created. But 2 tasks is created. Let's see. Go here. Create catalog task. and create catalog task. और इसका क्या description लिखा था हमने? My new task. See. So these 2 tasks has been created plus 1 incident also created now. If you see here. See. It means this workflow which I created is working very well. Now the only thing which I need to do, put on the pricing greater than 800 and then we can try it. Okay, but I'll not go in that try part now. Any doubt, any question, any clarification required till this point? So now let me summarize this part. Okay. In the catalog management, in the request catalog management, what we learned till the time. Okay. We see service portal. We see catalog. And we see item, right? When we see this thing, okay. And in that we created the variable set. Okay. Then we bring those catalog on service portal. Okay. Then we design, then we see the delivery time, जो ये था हमारा maintain item. Let me open anyone here. Let it be open. We see all these things. Here, what it will contain, accessibility क्या रहेगा, इसमें records क्या रहेंगे और photo settings क्या रहेंगी हमारी. We see all these things. Then majorly in the process engine, we have 3 things. Number 1, we have an execution plan. The older method. Older भी नहीं कहेंगे, इसको oldest method कहेंगे. Basically used for the task. ठीक है. Then we see workflow, which is a running method. Approval task. This thing we done. Now today we see the flow design, the latest one. In this we see task, record creation, and all the things are there. Okay. With this, we completed our topic called the request management. End to end हमने complete किया. Only one thing has been left now. That is the edit in the catalog builder. That will take on the Thursday class. First for 30 minutes to be complete this part. Let's close this. It's more than 1 week now. We are just working on this particular topic. So let's close this now. Okay. Now tell me, anyone has any doubt, any clarification, any require open issue on this particular concepts?
Atul.
Yes, Anjan.
I believe we need some small test cases so that it will be easier to understand. So, if you can help us on those things.
Simple test case, I'll tell you. Yeah. Create a new catalog. called hotel. Okay. In this category, put two category, rooms and food. In this item, under room, 3 BHK. Under food, because these are the items. Under food, you can create food under Indian and under Thai. Now, if you want to build up a workflow on 2 BHK, for 2 BHK, take approval from any group. Once this has been done, then create a task. Check in task, create one more task, check out task, and close. Food, put a variable, number of person you need. I'm just putting a variable, then put a workflow. Get order, that is a task. Okay, and then put approval. Chef approval, put any group. And deliver food, again a task. The only change what I did now, I put task first, then I put the approval, and then again a task. Till now what we discussed, approval and task, approval and task. Now task, approval, and then task. Try this thing. इसको ट्राई करो आप वर्कफ्लो से, और इन सबको ट्राई करो आप फ्लो डिजाइनर से. डोंट गो फॉर द एग्जीक्यूशन प्लान, दैट इज नॉट मच रिक्वायर्ड नाउ. दो यूज केसेस आपके पास मिल गए. And if you guys are actually going to work on that part, then create a catalog with the name Hotel Anjan Day, like this. It is easy for you to be identified. Or Tejal Patil, or Shilpi Sinha, Santosh Kumar, Ishwari, like this, hotel this. Then under cat, rooms, ADTP, SSSK, SII. It is easy for you guys to build up your catalogs, build up your workflow and your flows designers. Clear? Good doubt?
Good. Okay.
Okay, got the point, right? आपको टेस्ट केस यूज केस मिल गया आपको एक.
हाँ जी.
So tomorrow will be off. Thursday I'll check this thing. Tomorrow evening तक आप सब ये काम करके रखेंगे. I'll check it at, because I also have a personal instance. I can check it at any time. Once you're done, put in the group that I done this part. And again, request to everyone. If suppose Shilpi put this thing, okay, I done with this workflow. Anyone can go and check that workflow, how it's working. You can go and do the testing for that. Okay. Any doubt? Any question? Shilpi, Tejal, Ishwari, Anjan, Dipesh, Santosh.
All good.
Okay. So with this, we are closing this topic now, request management. Definitely questions will be there, but explanation part is done. Only one thing is pending, that is edit in the catalog item. That I'll pick up on maybe by Thursday or some other day as well. Okay. Let me stop the recording then.